Hi, welcome to PDF.co. In this video, you will learn how to convert PDF to HTML from an uploaded file in Python using PDF.co web API. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. Let's begin. First, if you haven't yet, kindly install the request module. Type in Python mpip install request in your command line. Next, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in Python. Then, enter the Python sample code. You can get the Python sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 6, insert your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 12, input the source PDF file name. Then, type in your desired HTML file name. In line 20, set it to false. If you want to get simplified HTML without CSS, set it to true. For line 22, set it to false. If your document has the column layout like a newspaper, set it to true. After setting up the code, you may now run the program. Once the program runs successfully, the output will be saved to result.html file. Now, let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the converted HTML output from PDF invoice. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.